Hi, my name is Matthew Brown, and I got my certificate in Industrial Maintenance Technology at SJVC. I was working 2 jobs. I was doing tile during the week and I was painting on the weekend, so I had no time for my family. I needed something that would be able to push me forward in pay scale and be able to be home more often with my family. The best option was actually SJVC. They were able to work with me on the work schedule, so that way I can work during the day and then go to school at night. I was definitely nervous. It was a lot to take on, being able to go to school and still come home and try my best to spend time with my family and do everything I can to provide for them, because everything's about the family. SJVC had that program that taught me and gave me the ability to diagnose issues, write programs, and to be able to get into that field and know what I'm going to be dealing with. All the teachers there all have background in the industries that they're teaching. You're going to have an electrical teacher that does electrical. You're going to have a programming teacher that deals with programming. If you ever have a question for it, they have the answer. And once you're leaving there, you are so confident that if someone offers you a position, you can say, yes, I want it. It's nice to be able to have a jump start and to be able to have a step up above other applicants that are applying for the position because you have that schooling behind you. I would recommend SJVC for anybody that is trying to build their life, build their skill set. It is a great tool. It really is.